In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a polished graphic in Canva using a template from start to finish. We'll move at a comfortable pace so you can follow along, and by the end, you'll have a clean, customized design ready to share or download. Start on the Canva homepage and head straight to the search bar. Type the kind of design you need: Instagram post, poster, or presentation, for example, and press enter. Browse the results until you find a template that matches your style and purpose. Click it to open it in the editor. It helps to choose the right size at the start so your layout fits its destination perfectly. Once you're in the editor, begin by replacing the sample text. Click on any text box and type your own content. Use the top toolbar to adjust font, size, and color. Aim for a clear hierarchy, a bold headline, a readable subheading, and smaller body text. Keep contrast strong so your words are easy to read, and try to stick to one or two font families for a cohesive look. Now bring your design to life with visuals. On the left sidebar, explore photos for images, elements for icons and illustrations, or use uploads to bring in your own pictures or logos. Drag items directly onto the canvas. If a template includes a placeholder image, you can replace it by dragging a new photo on top. Use the corner handles to resize and the center handle to rotate, and keep important details away from the edges. Refine colors and layout next. Click any shape, text, or graphic to change its color and size. Try using a simple, consistent palette. 2 or 3 complementary colors usually work well. Drag elements to reposition them, and watch the smart guides to maintain alignment and balance. If several items belong together, select them and group them so they move as one. Add polish with backgrounds and effects. From the left sidebar, pick backgrounds to choose a solid color, gradient, or image that suits your theme. Select individual elements and open effects to add shadows, outlines, or filters. Subtlety is key here, just enough to add depth without distracting from your message. If you want motion, click any text or image and choose Animate. Effects like fade, pop, or drift are clean and versatile. Preview your design to make sure animations feel smooth and purposeful. When you're happy, go to the upper right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose the format that fits your goal: PNG or JPG for images, PDF for documents, and MP4 for animated designs. Name your file clearly, hit Download, and you're done.